Have you ever wished you could make money online without any special skills or experience? What if we told you that you could earn anywhere from $50 to an incredible $200 or more per day simply by using Google Maps? Yes, you heard that right. The same Google Maps app that's probably sitting on your phone right now could be your ticket to financial freedom. In this video, we are going to reveal several clever methods that allow you to capitalize on the power of Google Maps and turn it into a money-making machine. And the best part, these strategies work from anywhere in the world, regardless of your location or language. There's truly no limit to the opportunities waiting for you. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right into the first method. Method number 1. Boosting online reviews and social media presence. Did you know that positive online reviews can significantly impact a business's success? Studies have shown that customers are more likely to choose a business with positive reviews over one with negative or no reviews at all. That's where your opportunity lies. By offering to help local businesses improve their online reviews and social media presence, you can provide immense value and charge a premium for your services. Here's how it works. Step 1. Open Google Maps and search for a specific type of local business in your area or a city of your choice. For example, you could search for beauty salons in New York City. Step 2. Analyze the search results and identify businesses that have relatively few reviews or a weak social media presence. These are your prime targets, as they're likely eager for help in this area. Step 3. Create a spreadsheet with columns for the business name, contact information, email, phone number, and any additional notes. Step 4. Reach out to these businesses via email or phone, introducing yourself and your services. You could say something like, "Hi, I noticed that your business could benefit from improving its online reviews and social media presence. I specialize in helping local businesses like yours attract more customers by boosting your online visibility. Would you be interested in learning more?" If the business owner expresses interest, you can then proceed to outline your services and pricing. Here's where the real magic happens. You'll use platforms like Fiverr, where freelancers offer a wide range of services related to boosting online reviews, social media management, and more. By acting as a middleman, you can mark up these services and offer them to your clients at a higher price, pocketing the difference as your profit. For example, let's say you find a Fiverr gig that promises to deliver 500 genuine positive reviews for $50. You could then offer the same service to your client for $200, making a tidy profit of $150 without lifting a finger. Method number 2. Offering Google Maps optimization services. While the first method focused on boosting online reviews and social media presence, this next strategy revolves around optimizing a business's Google Maps listing itself. After all, what good is having a stellar online presence if potential customers can't find you on Google Maps? Here's how you can help local businesses dominate the Google Maps search results. Step 1. Identify local businesses that have incomplete or poorly optimized Google Maps listings. Look for listings without photos, incomplete business hours, or missing contact information. Step 2. Reach out to these businesses and offer your Google Maps optimization services. Explain how a well-optimized listing can improve their visibility, attract more customers, and ultimately boost their bottom line. Step 3. Once a business agrees to work with you, you'll leverage the power of specialized software and online services to optimize their Google Maps listing. This could include adding high-quality photos, updating business hours and contact information, and even encouraging customers to leave positive reviews. But here's the real kicker: you won't be doing any of the actual work yourself. Instead, you'll outsource the tasks to skilled freelancers from countries like the Philippines or India, where labor costs are significantly lower. For example, you could hire a virtual assistant from these countries for just a few dollars per hour to handle the entire Google Maps optimization process for your clients. Meanwhile, you'll be charging your clients a premium fee, allowing you to pocket the difference as pure profit. And if you're worried about not having any prior experience or technical skills, fear not. I'll provide you with step-by-step guidance and access to the very same software and services used by seasoned professionals in this field. Method number 3. Leveraging AI for automated responses and lead generation. In the world of online marketing, automation is king. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence AI, you can streamline processes, save time, and ultimately make more money with less effort. One area where AI can be incredibly valuable is in automating responses to customer inquiries and generating leads for local businesses. And guess what? You can offer this as a service to your clients, positioning yourself as a cutting-edge solution provider. Here's how it works. Step 1. Identify local businesses that receive a high volume of customer inquiries via phone calls, text messages, or online chat. These could be businesses in industries like home services, real estate, or even restaurants. Step 2. Offer to set up an AI-powered automated response system for these businesses. This system will ensure that no customer inquiry goes unanswered, even when the business owner or staff is unavailable. Step 3. Leverage advanced AI software, which I'll provide you access to train a conversational AI bot using the business's website content, service descriptions, and frequently asked questions. Step 4. Integrate this AI bot into the business's communication channels, such as their Google Maps listing, website chat, Facebook Messenger, and even SMS. Now, whenever a customer reaches out to the business, the AI bot will automatically respond with relevant information, answer common questions, and even capture lead details for follow-up. But wait, there's more. This AI software also includes a powerful feature called Missed Call Text Back. If a customer calls the business and doesn't get an answer, the system will automatically send them a text message saying something like, "Sorry, we missed your call. How can we help you?" This simple automation alone can dramatically improve lead capture and customer satisfaction, making your services invaluable to local businesses. And remember, just like the previous methods, you won't be doing any of the technical work yourself. You'll simply act as the middleman, outsourcing the tasks to skilled professionals while charging your clients a premium fee. By combining these 3 powerful methods, you'll have a complete arsenal of services to offer local businesses, catering to their diverse needs and helping them thrive in today's competitive online landscape. Whether you choose to focus on one specific method or offer a combination of services, the potential to earn $50, $100, or even $200 per day or more is very much within reach. If you found value in this video and want to learn even more money-making strategies like these, make sure to hit that like button. Share it with your friends and family who might be interested, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. I'll continue to bring you the latest and greatest online money-making methods, ensuring that you stay ahead of the curve and maximize your earning potential. Together, we can build a world where financial freedom and location independence are not just dreams, but realities within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey, and we can't wait to see what amazing heights you'll achieve with the power of Google Maps by your side. Like, share, subscribe, and let's continue to pave the way towards a life of true freedom and abundance.